Hi, I'm Judith Heller, and I'm proud to oversee physician recruitment at the Northwell Health System. I'm pleased to partner with our clinical leaders. Now I'd like to share with you their vision for growth.
The anesthesia service line for Northwell Health Anesthesia, it encompasses so many different practices of anesthesia. If you want to do research, there's opportunities for research. If you want to do a private practice type setting, opportunities for that as well. Ambulatory anesthesiologists, we have that. The service line is much broader than a lot of other opportunities.
One of the great parts about working for Northwell is that while we're a large group, we're also small enough that you don't feel uncomfortable knocking on the door of the chair, the VP, whoever it is who you may have a question for. They always are receptive, and they're always willing to take your feedback.
If you join us and you decide that you want to move to a different location, it's easy for us to move you from one geographic area to another.
The work-life balance at Northwell Anesthesia is second to none.
Since I've started here, I've been able to not just enjoy work more, but enjoy my personal life more. Even with increased travel to Northwell, I still have been able to change my work-life balance more towards having an actual life, and especially being more than 7 years out of residency to actually go to dinner sometimes, on a school night is fantastic. That's a huge change, and I think my parents and my husband see that change, and they also see how excited I am to go to work every day because I do have those mental breaks, those times that I get to spend with them outside of work.
There's a whole support system there. You're not alone. And when you call for help, you'll have a team of people coming to help you. And that level of care is fantastic. And if I was the patient, that's what I would want.
We also have a great group of experienced nurse anesthetists that deliver quality care and are not only great communicators, but they're great clinicians.
It's really nice to be able to have that relationship where it's very open. We rely on each other to take care of the patient the best we can, because at the end of the day, that's our goal.
You work with your chairman, your director, people who not only are your superiors, but have your best interest in heart, and that's a huge deal.
We actually have a mentorship program built into our department, and right now I'm both a mentor and a mentee, which is the way I think it always should be, because no matter how advanced we are, we continue learning.
The anesthesiologists that join us are not expected just to do their cases. We ask so much more of them. There's opportunities for grand round lecture series that are fantastic. It brings people on the cutting edge of anesthesia and introduces things that actually change their day-to-day practice. Not only are there grand rounds, but we have Bioskills courses. Those Bioskills are phenomenal. We've done them recently for regional anesthesia and cricothyrotomy, and it is a valuable experience. The biggest accomplishment that we've experienced together is the beginning of the CRNA school at Hofstra, which just opened recently. Within a short period of time, it's going to be able to put out a number of exceedingly well-trained CRNAs into the program.
The partnership between Northwell and Hofstra, two outstanding institutions, works very synergistically. And so the fact that we are connected to a medical school, which is one of the top in the nation, which is just in our backyard, is just a wonderful thing to be able to be a part of.
Ultimately, you have to pick the place that fits you. I could tell you from my own personal experience, this was a no-brainer. Working for Northwell brought everything that I needed to the table. It's something I wish I had done years ago, and I would make the same decision 100 times again.
If you have any interest in being a leader, in just kind of being a part of medical education, this is definitely the right place to be. At Northwell Health Department of Anesthesiology, the possibilities are endless.